going to be adding this 2-inch horsehair to the edge of the skirt or train of my dress to kind of help with keeping it from bunching up so much when my bride is walking. The first thing that I'm going to do is cover the end of my horsehair so that it's not rough. And I'm going to do that by taking a rectangular piece of plain fabric and centering it over the horsehair like this. And I begin with doing a straight stitch right at the edge of the horsehair to make this piece of fabric, to attach this piece of fabric to the horsehair. Then the next thing that I'm gonna do is flip this over, fold it in, fold it in, and fold it down. It would help if I trim some of these excess threads off. Okay, so fold it in first. I'm gonna actually use pins to help me control this. Fold that in and fold this in. Okay, might have a little stray strand of satin hanging off, but just snip it, and now you have a covered up tail of horsehair. Okay, and that's what it looks like. You're gonna wanna start on the center back. Well, I like to start on the center back of my train because in case there's any, weird looking stitches, it's gonna be less noticeable because it's not in the front. And so you're gonna sit the fabric under your presser foot like that, and then you're also going to lay your horsehair right on top of that. And we're going to be sewing just a straight stitch right at the very edge, lining it up right at the very edge of the presser foot. A few back stitches. And I'm just going to sew this in a straight line all the way around. I do pull a little bit as I sew, pull the horsehair a bit. I'm gonna do this all the way around. When you're close to completing the full circle of attaching horsehair, you're going to stop, cut your horsehair, and then attach an end piece to the end of the horsehair just like you did to begin with. Then go ahead and finish sewing that last bit of horsehair down to complete the circle. After you complete the circle, go ahead and flip your horsehair around so that the wrong side of the fabric is facing up and the horsehair lays flat. You're going to now be sewing a straight stitch right at the edge of the horsehair to make sure that it lays flat with your fabric. For the final step, you're going to sew down the left edge of your horsehair so that it's not flopping around. And while you're doing this, you want to hold your fabric tightly and make sure that you're not getting any ugly bunching on the other side of your fabric. And when you finish installing your horsehair, your train should look something like this. It's a very lovely addition to any formal gown. Notice how the horsehair curls slightly and you can adjust it for photos as needed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.